Okay, so today we're going to talk about the properties of addition and multiplication. The first property that we're going to talk to you about is the closure property of addition, where A and B and C are real numbers. And the closure property of addition simply tells us that A plus B is a real number. And the closure property of multiplication tells us that A times B is a real number. The commutative property of addition tells us that A plus B is equal to B plus A. And likewise, multiplication commutative property tells us that A times B is equal to B times A. The associative property of addition tells us that the quantity of A plus B plus C is equal to A plus the quantity of B plus C. Likewise, the quantity AB times C is equal to A times quantity BC. The identity property of addition tells us that A plus 0 equals A and 0 plus A equals A. And the identity property of multiplication tells us that A times 1 is equal to A, or 1 times A is equal to A. The inverse property of addition tells us that A plus negative A is equal to 0. And the inverse property of multiplication tells us that A times 1 over A is equal to 1, where A cannot equal 0. And finally, the distributive property includes both addition and multiplication, and it tells us that A times the quantity B plus C is equal to AB plus AC.